using a windscreen wiper arm removal tool. Remove the wiper arm spindle nut cover if fitted. Loosen the spindle nut. Unscrew the nut until it's level with the top of the spindle threads. Fit the forks of the tool under the wiper arm. Tighten the thumb screw until it makes contact with the spindle nut. Now tighten it firmly to put pressure on the spindle nut. Rock the wiper arm up and down to free it from the spindle. Remove the tool from under the wiper arm. Remove the spindle nut. You can now remove the wiper arm. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.